Amundson's class? Sweet. Okay, good. 3.1 integers and number lines. Can you compare, add, and subtract using a number line? Yeah, you can. An integer is a whole number and it's opposite. What side of the number line are positive numbers on? What side of a number line are negative numbers on? Left. And inequality, ooh, remember these guys? Yeah. Inequality symbols, yes? Yeah. Okay, why? Okay, just for fun. Why is this inequality symbol right here? Can you guys see what I'm circling? Why does that mean less than? What's it look like? It looks like an L because if I shift it, it actually makes an L. So we know less than kind of looks like an L, right? Yeah. And then the other one is greater than, yes? Yeah. Okay, cool. All right, reading integers. How do I know that, like this statement right here, how do I know that that statement, I'm going to go like this, means 20? What word tells me it means 20? Yair? Jair?
Because it has gain in it. Gain is like addition.
Yeah, gain means addition. What does it? What does loss mean? Everybody.
Subtraction.
So what do we call these words that I highlighted? We call those what kind of words?
Keyword.
Say again?
Keyword.
Keywords tell us if a number is like a positive or a negative, right? By the way, I need everyone involved here, like everyone. That does not sound like everyone yet. All right, number lines. If you're on a number line and you go this way, are you getting bigger or smaller?
Bigger.
If you go this way, you're getting
Smaller.
Look at this number line right here. Look at this number line. What number is this number line telling me about?
4.
Because we know that there is a dot on the number 4, right?
Yeah.
What about this number line? What is that number line telling me about? What number?
-2.
How about this number line? What is this number line telling me about?
28.
Do you have to like go like number by number or can we skip count? I love it. Okay, cool. So you guys know how number lines work, yes? Ooh. 3 plus 2 is 5, yes?
Yeah.
Is this your proof right here?
Yeah.
My dot is at what number?
3.
And then I do 2 bunny hops. What number do I end up at?
5.
Ooh, how about this one? 9 minus 5 equals 4, yes?
Yeah.
My dot's on?
9.
How many bunny hops backwards am I doing?
5.
Why do I know I'm going backwards? So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bunny hops, and where do I end up? 4. So if it's a minus sign, we go backwards. If it's a plus sign, we go
forward.
Last thing, inequalities. We just talked about what they mean, right?
Yeah.
This number or this statement says 1 is less than 3. Yes or no?
Yes.
Is 1 smaller than 3?
Yes.
Is 6 bigger than negative 4?
Yes.
Is negative 11, what's that mean right here again? Is negative 11 smaller than negative 2?
Yes.
If it's a bigger number, it's going to be closer to the what side of the number line?
Door.
The door in our classroom or to the
Right.
right side?